Happy Valentine's Day. This is Dan Swede with Hydrocon Systems. We're stocking up for spring. We've already got like 7 built trailers, trash bin cleaning, living bin cleaning trailers in stock. We got extra inventory right here. We're actually expanding to be able to store everything, bottom line. So here. I'll show you real quick a couple of trailers that are in the test bay right now, getting prepped and ready. That's the rest of our production department back there, where we had a revamp to make more workstation. Here's our chemical manufacturing plant here. We also manufacture drive-through truck washes. These are some pretty big boy pumps right here. Got a bunch of these right now going out. So more inventory and overflow there. Here's some of our service vehicles, workstations. That's in the wash bay. Hopefully they're all still up. A couple are still out here. That one, yep, they are. You know, back we have 3 more build, and then we got one out for signage right now. I'll hopefully have that back on Thursday, and we've got a couple more in our overflow warehouse building and out in the outside parking lot. You guys probably already seen those when I had the videos of the trailers outside. Typically, if you're looking for, I'll show you the power washers on these. Super industrial. This is not a Mickey Mouse setup. Basically, dual tanks. We actually don't use the hopper as a recovery and holding tank. Too much weight on the back. You don't want to have that much hanging over the axles to begin with. And then all your weight in your tank will be empty and put in the back of the trailer. Leads to a lot of fishtailing on cargo weights that aren't balanced. Yeah, we'll show you. I mean, there's a big difference between our systems. We're running, well, include an additional 100-foot inlet hose so you can fill your tank up. You don't have to carry a little garden hose with you. These are all hose roll guide. You got a 200-foot, 6,000-pound non-marking hose. That hose, I've been doing this for 32 years. It's the best hose in the industry. We run 3,500 PSI at 9-gallon minute high volume hot water machine. This is a 31 horsepower big block engine. We don't really power these with Honda. The Honda only goes up to 22 horse, and it's only 688 cc. And if you're driving the generator, which this is a 2,900 watt generator, brushless generator. We don't use brushed generators that have brushes in them. They're the kind of where you buy the Home Depot $300, which for a homeowner that may be fine. You know, $300-400 little generator. We could buy 3 of them just for the cost of that one generator that's on here. Got an industrial belt drive, stainless steel frame, adjustable thermostat, hour meter, pressure gauge, built-on winterizing tank, 15-stage wastewater recovery and filtration system. I'll kind of give you a peek over here. Kind of some stuff already on the trailer. We get the filtration system here. And the secondary. This is part of what we call our HydroClear package, which allows you, it actually has a 5-micron filter. It has an oil, water, and phosphate filter, and then a big block carbon filter. We're actually able to recycle this wastewater and reuse it one time, and also can help you when it comes to your disposal. Don't be conned by con men out there. Bottom line, this is not gray water. The definition of gray water You can get into the DEQ and EPA and other definition, but typically it's known as water that goes down your sink in your kitchen, water that goes down your shower drain or tub, and worst case, it's the laundry water. Even your toilet water is not gray water. So don't assume or have somebody, misguide you, mislead you. This also has another 50 foot of vacuum hose, vacuum scuppernong, water dams, tools, everything on here. In order to be able to, so, you've seen some of my kind of competitors out there. Yeah, they're the big difference between a 3,000 and 8 gallon a minute little Honda powered hot water pressure washer and this beast. Golden rule in the industry is if you add 1 extra gallon a minute at about 3,500 PSI, you normally increase your cleaning speed by double or 100% increase. This is a true 9, I mean, they test out at 8.8 gallon a minute to 9 gallon a minute at 3,500 PSI. That's out the gun. That's not just the pump rating. Understand there's a difference. If you don't have the horsepower to push the bigger pump, you're not going to get the flow out of it. So there is a big difference. Like I said, you just really want to do your homework. Give me a call or Tim Brock. I'm Dan Swede. I've been in the industry for 32 years. Our company is Hydrochem Systems. We're going on, I think next month, we're going to turn 47 years old. How many near 50-year-old companies are there? And we're an employee-owned company, 48 employee owners right now. We also, I'll show you this is just a banner from a trade show. We actually manufacture automated drive-through truck washes. If you're a waste company or municipality, we can actually clean the trucks normally less than $5 per wash, or you can clean the trucks by driving through them, and in less than 3 minutes. We also are heavy pioneers in the two-step truck washing industry. That's a brushless truck washing, and that uses our chemicals that we manufacture and specialized equipment. We actually have remote controlled chemical systems that apply a low pH soap and a high pH soap and then rinses the vehicle. That was clean right there without a brush. We do custom power washer. This is this is actually, it's got 2 side doors, front concession stand door, and double doors in the back. This actually has the same 3,500 9-gallon hot water machine. It's kind of hard to see because it's kind of crinkled. And then these are our manufacturing for the truck wash, degreaser, cleaners, specialty solutions. We have asphalt release products. We've got sanitizers for the poultry industry and for our biosecurity wash systems. So you get the whole package here. You're not talking about a fly-by-night operation. These are obviously some of the wheelie bins that they'll actually grab and hold any of these carts. They'll do round ones, and we've got the universal dual bin lifters. And this trailer, all of our trailers, can vacuum recover wastewater up to 100 feet away from the trucks or trailers. We do truck mounted also. These are all super heavy duty. You can look, it's 2-inch by 6-inch box tubing frames. Galvanized rims, because we're up north here. Any client wants aluminum rims, it would be no extra charge. And spare tire on here. Like I said, this will vacuum wastewater up to 100 feet of hose. We actually have a vacuum surface cleaner. Those will actually be on the ground, the decks. So we actually have the vacuum surface cleaner. It's a 30-inch deck. Can vacuum recover wastewater through that, through the power washer, and be able to recover, recycle, and reuse. Then we have this 48-inch, which is huge. This will clean a full 48-inch wide sidewalk. It's actually 49.5 inches. Got heavy-duty stainless steel swiveled and bearing assembly. There's actually that too. Big believer in that. I'm not a believer in aluminum when high-pressure water going through there. They work okay when it's hydraulic fluid, it's lubricated, but it erodes very, very quickly. You know, not good to have different materials in there. Our heads are all stainless steel, 4 nozzle. You can see on that one, jet. Cleans much, much better, faster than the economy models out there. And well, so far today, we have never needed to replace a cleaning head. And today is Valentine's Day 2018. I guess we overkilled when we built it, but I didn't want to have problems. Our company is really designed as a service company to help you out, establish your business, work with you. We're not kind of nitpicky by selling you $3,000 plus heads, the economy heads. Not out there trying to, you know, do it. With my 32 years, first I started off as a mechanic, heavy equipment, diesel, electronic, military, high cycle, and you know, you had to bulletproof it. I was down in South Florida manufacturing, and that's actually where I started manufacturing these. And I don't know, just a whole different mentality. I mean, one thing about chemical companies, you want the residual business, you want very, very happy customers. You end up doing the best of the best, so they have the least amount of problems, and you know, you just do the right thing. Give me a call, 1-800-666-1992, or here at the perfect right here. That's Hydrochem Systems Inc. Hydrochemsystems.com, and sales at hcsclean.com, or if you can get it to work, you can use the QR code to get to our website. Thank you.